Back on the bike. Yesterday was a rain out day. Rained all day long. Yesterday being Friday. Today is Saturday, July 10th, 2021. I almost started the bike ride before 8 o'clock, but it ended up being 7 minutes after 8. I'm riding the Canyon Enduro CF SLX bike today. Weather 76 degrees, wind's calm, humidity is about 99% according to my home weather station. Today's route is going to be south of Atascocita to FM 1960, then east over Lake Houston, south on Fair Lake Lane to Old Atascocita Road, east, and since I didn't get to ride yesterday, I'll probably go on the east of FM 2100 on Old Atascocita Road to try to get some miles. I don't know that I'm going to make it to 200 miles this week. Anyway, hopefully I can see a number of other bikers today, especially starting a little earlier. We shall see.